Hi, I'm Dee from the NESARA Institute. I'd like to share some information with you about gold. There is a difference between owning gold and being told a gold story, and that difference matters, especially when retirees are being told that their life savings are in danger and that the answer is to move retirement money to a gold IRA. Let's be clear at the start. Gold itself is not the scandal. Gold is a real asset. Some investors hold it as a hedge against inflation, and regulators themselves say precious metals can hold a valuable place in a diverse portfolio. The problem is how some companies sell it. Federal regulators have issued repeated warnings about precious metal investment schemes targeting retirement accounts. According to the FINRA and the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, frauds involving physical gold and silver coin often target older investors and retirees, particularly through self-directed IRAs. The most important tactic works like this. Investors believe they are buying gold exposure, but in many cases they are being steered into high markup collectible coins instead of ordinary bullion. Regulators say typical bullion products may carry modest spreads, but collectible or semi-numismatist coins can be sold with premiums far above the underlying metal value. Investors usually do not know until they get the first statement. By then, the built-in dealer commission may already have reduced the value of the metals dramatically. In some cases, regulators say these premiums can reach 40%, 100%, even 200% above spot price. That means an investor can lose value immediately before the investment even had a chance to move. Regulators say these operations follow a predictable pattern. First comes the fear narrative, warning about inflation, banking crisis, or dollar collapse. Then comes the retirement rollover pitch. And finally, the high markup coin sale. And because many of the salespeople are commission-based, they are not operating as fiduciary investment advisors. At the same time, the industry has developed an extensive marketing pipeline. A Washington Post investigation in 2023 found that promotions for gold retirement investments had become a regular feature across certain media platforms. The report documented endorsements and advertisements involving well-known personalities, including Bill O'Reilly and Rudy Giuliani, and advertisements appearing on outlets including Newsmax broadcasts, conservative newsletters, and podcasts such as Verdict with Ted Cruz. The investigation also reported endorsements for companies such as American Hartford Gold and advertising campaigns by Augusta Precious Metals. It is important to note that the Post did not claim that every endorsement involved misconduct, but it showed how borrowed trust from familiar public figures can influence financial decisions. The risks are not hypothetical. In 2021, the New York Attorney General sued precious metals dealer Lear Capital, alleging the company defrauded nearly 1,000 New Yorkers. The lawsuit claimed the company charged undisclosed commissions of up to 33% on more than $43 million in sales. In 2022, the Attorney General announced a $6 million resolution and said that the company would change certain practices in New York. The Commodity Futures Trading Commission, together with 30 states, charged dealers connected to Metals.com and related companies in what regulators described as a $185 million fraud targeting elderly investors. According to regulators, some customers were sold precious metals at prices 100 to more than 300% above market value. Remember, gold itself is not a scandal. The scandal is when fear, celebrity endorsement, and hidden markups combine to quietly drain retirement or any savings. If someone is urging you to move your retirement account quickly, pushing exclusive coins, or warning of imminent collapse, that is when you should stop and verify every detail. Ask, what is the dealer markup? What is the buyback price? Are these bullion or collectible coins? Are you a licensed financial advisor? And find out about all commissions in writing. If the deal is legit, it will be there tomorrow. Don't be afraid to ask a professional. Talk about it with your family and friends. Get outside opinions, because the difference between good hedge investment and a loss can be hidden in the fine print. Thank you for listening, and please visit our website to learn about the National Economic Stabilization and Recovery Act.